Welcome to the Okappy guide for restricting sensitive information. Columns which are not included in your job templates can still contain information on your dashboard. This means information can be viewed by the office, but not by the engineers. To set this up, from the job list page, click on the three-dot menu labeled Job Options. Next, select Job Sheet Templates and locate the relevant template. Click the three dots next to the template and select View, Edit Template. Then confirm which of the fields aren't being used by the job template. You can use these fields on your dashboard to hold sensitive information. To add these fields to the job list page, click on the three-dot menu labeled Job Options. Next, select Change Page Layout and it will take you to the Layout page. Here you can create additional columns based on those unused fields. Activating these columns will add them to the job list page. To edit the information in these fields, hover over and click the pencil icon, which will enable you to input to or change the field. If you wish to update multiple fields at once, you can tick the Update Link Jobs box and it will do that for you. When looking at the job sheet for this job, these columns are not present. The columns also are not present when viewed from the mobile app. We hope this guide was helpful and that you continue to enjoy using Okappy.